is in stick, kick, clock. Press the sound button under the grapheme and say the phoneme. E is for egg, elephant, echo, echo, echo. Press the sound button under the grapheme and say the phoneme. Is for umbrella, and in fun, cup, bug. Press the sound button under the grapheme and say the phoneme. Is for rabbit, robot, rocket. Press the sound button under the grapheme and say the phoneme. Blending. Press each sound button and then the phonemes to make the word. K, I, k, kick. S, o, k, sock. S, a, k, sack. D, o, k, dock. P, I, k, pick. S, I, k, sick. P, a, pack. T, I, k, et, ticket. P, o, k, et, pocket. G, et, get. P, et, pet. T, et, ten. N, et, net. P, et, pen. Peg, et, met, et, men, ek, neck, up, up, mum, up, run, ug, mug, up, cup, sun, tuck, mud, set, sunset, rim, rip, ram, rat, rag, rug, rot, et, rocket, carrot.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. F.
The sound of F is f. Here is the song for f.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out.
Let's look at some words for f. Fish. F-I-sh. Fish. Fox. F-ox. fox. Fat. At. Fat. Frog. 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 This has been
Hi kids, today we are going to learn how to write the initial sound letter for fan, for fish, for fruits, for football. Now it's our activity time. So let's practice how to write this letter. So here we go. Go round and down and across. Again, go round and down and across. Go round and down, across. Now let's write the letter. So sound letter will be written on line number 1, 2 and 3. So we will start from the top on line number 1 and making a curl, and then continue to make a straight standing line downwards till line number 3. Then go to the middle on line number 2 and draw a sleeping line across. Let's do that again. Making a curve, standing line downwards, then sleeping line across. Good work! Now you try. Well done, my kids. Now you know how to write this letter.
Fan. Fan. Fat. Fat. Fed. Fed. Fig. Fin. Fit. Flag. Flat. Fun. If.